Hi everyone! In today's video I want to show you a pair of skates that is very different from what people usually see. These are the Bauer heated skates and they completely changed my skating experience. Before this I was using this pair of skates and even though they are good skates I used to have a lot of pain in my foot. What I didn't know at that time is that those skates were made for narrow feet. So here is a quick tip. It's not just about skate size. The shape of your foot and the type of skate you use really matter. When buying ice skates, there are three main foot shapes. You can have a narrow foot which is slimmer and needs a tighter fit, a regular foot that has a balanced width and fits most standard skates, and a wide foot that needs more space, especially in front of the skate. Maybe this information is silly for some people, but I come from a hot country and I didn't know about that. The only thing I was concerned about was the size, but again guys, this is a great pair of skates. Anna has one of these and she loves it. The only mistake I made is that I bought this one and this one is made for narrow feet and my feet aren't narrow. The pressure was all in the wrong places, which caused discomfort and a lot of pain. For me, the Bauer heated skates made a huge difference, especially in comfort. Now I can skate for much longer without that painful pressure in the sole of my foot.
One of the things I really like about these skates is that they have 3 heating levels, so you can adjust the warmth depending on the conditions. You can go with a light warmth, a medium setting or a full heat for really cold days. The heating system runs on a removable battery that slides into the skate, and you don't even notice it while you're skating. When it needs charging, you just take the battery out and charge it with a USB cable, which is super convenient.
Now I'll show you the first time I used these skates. Check it out.
I came all the way to the Rink of Dreams here in Ottawa. It's a beautiful outdoor rink with perfect ice, a great vibe and tons of space to really enjoy skating. I couldn't think of a better place to put them to the test.
Hey, now it's the first time I'll use my skates. What I can feel here with this new pair of skates, that it's very comfortable and I don't feel that pain I felt before with the old skates. And this built-in heating system, it's very efficient because my toes are not freezing anymore. So you can turn this on and you can choose 3 levels of heating. So I selected level 3 and I feel my toes warm right now. It's good because I'm skating outside and it's very cold here. Now Anna is skating with a pair of skates. So this pair of skates is the same I had before, but for her it's very comfortable. Now she's skating very well. See? We started our skating lessons and we are learning how to stop, to go backwards, only the basics, and then it's important to have a good pair of skates, comfortable ones, because we feel a lot of pain as we get tense while we are doing the classes. So if you use tight skates, you feel a lot of pain in the sole of the foot. But now, after some time here using this new pair of skates, I can say that this is very comfortable. It's like I'm wearing boots. I'm happy that I found it, because I was hopeless. I thought all the pair of skates were uncomfortable. I thought it was the normal thing, but no. This one surprised me positively. Now Anna will start skating as well, to show what she learned in her lessons. She's doing very well. Skating very well, Anna.
Yeah. I'm still a bit afraid.
One more.
See, you cannot feel that confident.
Yeah, but they're doing great. First lesson. Hey. Great. Woohoo!
Great.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you ever dealt with foot pain while you skate.
Thank you for watching.